And hello everybody and welcome to the new video. Today I will be playing this escape room puzzle game called Trace. I don't know too much about it except that people really like it, so I decided to give it a try. So let's go. The storm is growing. Soon this world will be lost just like the others. Where did it all go wrong? The answer is in here somewhere, I'm sure of it. Right, I'm sorry. So here we are. This is a point and click game, which means you can't move as a character in the game. You can only go from screen to screen, but the graphics look really nice. So without further ado, let's get going. Slot empty. Okay. And how to play Trace. Okay. Click arrows to look around, find clues and items to solve hidden puzzles. Some items can be combined. Okay, that's good to know. I think we're good on that part. So let's start with the game. First of all, I can already see a key that is hanging. But can I take this key is what I'm wondering. Well, it's not letting me to take the key. So let's see here. We have a locked compartment here, okay. And another one on the left. Oh, the toilet paper has a number 5 on it. Luckily no one used it yet. This is also locked. Can't do anything with the flowers. Okay, let's see here. So here is some kind of puzzle we have to solve. Okay, nothing here. A picture of spider. Okay, let's see here. I cannot zoom in, right? Don't think so. Well, I don't know if this picture will be important or not. And here we need to place the red key. If only I could get it somehow, but I'm guessing I need to cut the rope. So, except for that, okay, I can pick up half of the scissors. Okay. And I can right click to inspect it. Okay, great. Well, seems good to me. Let's look at the other screen as well, just to see. So there is some kind of grid outside, but I cannot zoom in, so I'm guessing that's for later. Here we need to insert the key here and get it here, I'm guessing. Okay. Is that it? No, we have another side, so these are the lights for the puzzle. Okay, is it something in here? Doesn't seem like it. Oh, okay. There's another digit puzzle here. Can we open this? No, we can't. And the last thing we didn't look is the mirror, but I cannot get to it. So basically the only thing we have right now are the lights we need to put here. So it was first, third and fourth. Okay, and we get the number 8. Okay, that's neat, but is there anything else we can do? So what else are we missing here? Can we use the scissors to cut the tape on the picture? No. Do we need these scissors for anything actually? Are they here just to confuse us? Let's see, is there anything on this picture? I mean, I'm not seeing anything. I search for everything and can't do anything. Oh, okay. Actually didn't see this before. Okay, I get it. We need to make the symbol from the spider. Well, that's not it. Maybe we need to start here. Wait. Let me look one more time. Oh, okay, I get it. We don't need to use the last one. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Finally, we got somewhere. So let's see what's in here. Yay, the second half of the scissors. And we get the both. No, it's only one. But at least we got the scissors now. And it said we can combine them. So there we go. Now we can cut the rope. Hopefully. Okay. Finally getting somewhere. Let's see what's inside of here. Oh, give me the key. There we go. 0.35. Okay. I mean, we have the numbers, but I thought it was the combination for the lock. And it seems like it's something else. Yeah, these are all a single digit numbers, so we cannot insert it in here. Okay, so can we put the key here? Oh wait, we don't have the key anymore, and we don't have the scissors either. Can I take it back? Oh. I didn't even see this. What is this? Okay, so we got the formula for the volume of the cup. I'm guessing that's for later. I don't think there's anything related to this currently that we know of. But again, we don't have anything left to do except for this. So I am a little confused. What is this exactly referring to? I mean, this circle does look like the locked circle on the shelf, so maybe it does have to do something with it. Yeah, okay, I think the box marked with the X is referring to the box we took the note from. Then in that case, the volume of a cup would refer to this cabinet, which I'm not exactly sure what it means. Let's take a look at the note one more time. So also it's not aligned with the box exactly, so I'm not sure if I'm looking at the correct screen even. What if I look at this here? Doesn't seem to match. I mean, the paper is translucent, so I'm guessing it needs to match with some background, and only thing I can see it matches with would be this, I guess. Maybe specifically this one, but it doesn't match. Oh no, wait, it actually matches with this one. Yeah, sink is the circle and the cup is here. Okay, yeah, That makes finally sense. Yeah, and the chart is the mirror. Okay, finally I got it. So the tile is this one. So what do we need to do with that? Because I cannot click it. Oh, okay. Finally. But I definitely pressed it before, so I'm not really sure what's up with that. But okay, finally we got the shape for the blue wire. Let's draw this shape. There we go. Okay, finally. Progress. Let's see what's inside. Okay. I did not expect this. What is this? Whoa. Oh, we get a backstory. Just a bit further now. We're almost at the station. Gracious. I thought we'd never arrive. More time to take in the view, I suppose. How are you faring, miss? I have so many questions. Yeah, me too. And I have so many answers. Ask away. We're meeting the Emperor, correct? Correct. The newly crowned. But the attack... Wait, newly crowned? Emperor Gallus? I didn't have time to read that. Coup that. No, not a coup. His assailants were apprehended. Okay, he's speaking too fast. This is wow. So who summoned us? The old emperor or the new? You were summoned by Emperor Sorvana. Three days ago, our new emperor, Emperor Sorvana, communed with... Okay, during the communion, Sorvana received a terrible vision. The vision described the coming of a great rending. The connective tissue of reality will erode into nothingness. Time will flow undirected. The universe will be shattered. And you believe that? A vision for a turtle. A turtle? Some people have no respect for the gods. Our emperor believes it. Besides, I can't ignore the data. Things are, well, falling apart. Things are difficult. We're in a moment of crisis, certainly. But luckily, there's still time to act. Emperor Sorvana is putting together a team of our best and brightest to meet the crisis head-on. That's where you two come in. Marcus Trezat, that data wizard, your comprehensive knowledge of all things computational will be invaluable for our mission. Certainly. Wrath, Pelton, Gizmotician, your mechanical wonders have captured the imagination of millions. I'm honored to meet you. The pleasure is yours. Ah, we're here. Let's get you fully briefed and introduced. We are going to do great things together. Okay. So we got some lore and more numbers. This time is... Oh, so it's a fraction. I see. I see. That makes so much more sense. So we previously got all the four numbers on the top, and now we got the numbers on the bottom, and we need to calculate the fraction to get the code for the volt. So we have 58.3516 divided by 12.058. and we get definitely not a number with 4 digits. We get 4.83924366. So I got it. Now we need to divide each number separately and not all together. So actually what we get is 5 divided by 1, which is 5, 8 divided by 2, which is 4, 0.35 divided by 0.5, which is 7, and 16 divided by 8, which is 2, 7, and 2. I heard a click, and we get a pumpkin. Great. So what does this mean now? I would say it gives us the yellow shape, but I don't think we can make this from only 5 points. I mean, maybe it's just a triangle. Maybe it's the upper part. I will at least try it, since there's literally nothing else I can do. So it would be this, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there we go. Nice. Good thing that I tried that. So we unlock the final door and got a bunch of toilet paper, as expected, underneath the sink. Seems like no other secrets in here, but we did get the key tile, which means we can finally get out of here. Well, after we solve the puzzle, of course. So we need to get the key to the lock at the end. Let's see here. Let's try this. Okay, we're getting somewhere. And there we go. Actually not a difficult puzzle for change. And we're out. Did we solve everything here? I guess so. For some reason I thought there was more. So I remember there is something we didn't get to solve, and that's this one. Didn't have the key for this. So there is something left after all. I'm guessing we'll get back for that. But for now let's step outside. We have... whoa. Okay, we have something behind the picture. And we need to pick the right symbols. Alright then. Let's see here. We have a maze on the mirror. Okay, here are the doors. Okay, another room. Oh, we found a battery inside the couch. Okay, here is something. This opens the crocodile's mouth. Okay. I don't know where the crocodile is. We found a figure that looks like it's from Minecraft. Let's see, what's this? Some kind of star inside a tube. Okay. This reminds me of a tablecloth my grandma had. Let's see, what's this? Heart and another shape we'll probably need to make. Oh, 8-digit code. Okay, interesting. Okay, here we have a lot of stuff. So, the crocodile mouth, the man that's holding something on its back with those symbols. We have a planet, computer, looks like bacterias, and a duck, possibly, maybe a swan. But that's neat. So here we have a nice looking building inside the aquarium. I can see there is a code here, but can't seem to get to it yet. We'll see later what's with that. Oh, okay, we found a star, another one. We can turn on the computer. Doors OS. Okay. Robots games. Let's go for the games. Enter password. We don't have the password yet. Monk.ctrl. Seahorse.ctrl. Okay. Oh, so it's like the security camera. Open x plus x plus x equals y. Interesting. Let's see what's here. We need another password. Okay, we'll get back to that later, definitely. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, here we have the planets, looks like. So this one appears 2 times, seems like, and this also appears 2 times. Okay. Then we have this. Okay. What is that? Okay. An extending giraffe. Oh. Well, I did not expect this, I can tell you that much. And there's nothing in the plus drawer. Then we have this one. Some numbers and symbols. Okay. Another book. Okay, looks like a key inside the crocodile's mouth. Here is the duck. Here's the title screen. Okay, there's a star underneath the table. Good to know. And some kind of hole. Oh, so this is where the music's coming from. Let's leave it for now. Sure, why not? Then we have... Okay. We have a picture with stars. I was about to say. Didn't expect to find one of them. Okay. And then we have... Okay, here is where the battery goes. But we only have one so far. And looks like a projector or something. Here we need to find... I'm guessing the duck statue. It seems like a box on the picture. And we have another book for the computer, seems like. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. Whew! I don't even know where to start. Password for the games on the computer. I mean, I definitely missed something. There's just too much stuff here. But we didn't take a look at this yet. This is interesting. I'm not sure what it's for yet. Oh, we can open this. And we can adjust the planets. Okay. So here are the planets. Maybe we can solve that already. This was also above and this was below. Yeah, but there we go. And it's part of the symbol tile. So, where to even begin? I mean, there's so much stuff. These symbols do match these tiles, but we are missing 3 of them. We only have 2. I don't know what to do with giraffe and what to do with this. What is that even? Some kind of troll. I thought he was holding a telescope from Minecraft, but it's actually a bat. I don't think we can do anything with it. Oh wait, maybe it's going on the table. I thought it was the place for a duck, maybe. Okay, it doesn't seem like it is. So, from the order of these symbols, we should start with the bacterias, but I don't remember seeing any of this. So we should probably get with the computer. So yeah, let's look at the book we found on the table. Robots, an illustrated compendium. So I'm guessing this is the manual we need to look at to understand the robots from the computer. So basically you can move them along the wires. You can also hold yourself on the robots. Yeah, it even has handles for the legs. Okay. And then we have the seahorse. Looks like it's for going underwater. So probably we'll need that for the aquarium we saw. And then we have the elephant. And looks like there's a hole in the elephant's trunk. And there's a button in it. And I'm not sure where the elephant is. And then outside of the green door is the crocodile, and the crocodile has the key. Some lines we don't understand yet. Drawing contest. Number 1 apple rat Mark. Okay, I can definitely see Mark is much better at drawing the rat. And here is the troll with the torch. We already did find that. Then for the seahorse, I'm assuming this is... we have some kind of symbols for the puzzle. And when the light is turned on, it means it's dark. And when the light is turned off, it means it's an emergency or something. Maybe someone is scared of dark, so he doesn't want to turn off the light. Let's look back at the computer, I guess. X plus X plus X is equal to Y. So this has the Y symbol and this has the X symbol. Oh, okay. I got it. Open X plus X plus X plus. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I just realized this is a plus. Okay, we got a magnet. Maybe the stars are magnetic, so... Oh, maybe we can get this star. Wait a second. Let's try this. There we go. That's it. And do we get to keep the magnet? Nope. We got the third star, even though I still don't know what they are used for. Oh, this is locked now. Interesting. 1 times 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. 8 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. And 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. I guess we just don't know which sign is which operator. And I'm not sure if that's something we will figure out later, or we just need to get it now, is the problem. Okay, let's focus on this one. I feel like there's something here. It has to be. What am I missing? Let's get back here. We don't even know what is... Oh, wait. That is the thing on the sheep. Or I'm guessing that's the sheep. I'm not actually sure. But is this thing actually? What do we need to do with it? So each of these has a button on it. Then the computer has the button. The planets, I guess, have a button. Yeah, there it is. Then the crocodile has a button here. Does the man have a button? I don't know where the button for the man is. Maybe we need to solve this one first in order to find it. And then the duck also has a button. So we have all the buttons except the one from the man, which is a problem since I don't know what to do for that one. We don't have the last three. Okay, let's see if we recognize at least some of the symbols, since this is the seahorse one and this is the monkey one. I'm guessing this is the elephant. It looks like an elephant. This is probably the giraffe. I mean, it could be. Okay, could be this related to giraffe somehow. I'm not sure. I think I did figure something out at least, and that is that this tile has also this symbol as the third. I would assume this is the third one, and then maybe we need to guess the last two, because there's not too many left of them. I mean, I'll try. Hopefully this works. There we go. Okay. I really don't know if I should have brute forced this. It is the two symbols that we see. It's the symbol for monkey and... Okay, we don't actually see this symbol, but I mean, it's probably the symbol for the elephant. And we finally now get the last button, so we can go ahead and solve this puzzle. So we start with the sheep, then we go to the computer, then we have the planets, then we have the crocodile. There we go. Then we finally have the man button, and last we have the duck. Oh, we got a key. Let's go. And now, finally, we can unlock this door. There we go. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Another keyhole. Honestly, not what I would like to see. Oh, okay. This is interesting. And another action figure. Okay. I wonder if those are just for decoration or they will be actually useful. So we need to figure this one out. Here we have a puzzle. Here we have a crescent moon symbol. But what I actually want to do... Oh, we have another puzzle here. You probably need to get to the window. Oh, here we are on this puzzle, which we saw. And this is the... Okay, we got a star. That's nice. But this is the symbol we saw in the house. Oh, okay, I see. We need to connect the hearts. Okay, we'll get back to that. Okay, here are the flowers for the puzzle. We can solve that one. This I still don't know what to do with. And we have a piano. Okay, let's not get too distracted. Oh, okay, there is so much stuff here. What is this? Oh, it's the robot. We can like go and grab the robot's leg and then it will get us to the other side. Okay. Okay. I guess let's first... Oh, what is this? Okay, interesting. Don't know what this is for. Let's first solve this puzzle, since we actually should be able to solve it. I think the picture was here, then the hanging pot was here, and I'm not sure between these two, so probably they are opposite, yes. And we get another star, great. Even more mysteries. But let's see what will this do actually. Okay, so I'm guessing if we get outside it closes its mouth. I guess we cannot solve it yet. Let's get back inside and look at this. I'm guessing this is the shape we need to draw for this puzzle. Even though I'm not sure exactly. Maybe we need to draw a hexagon. It doesn't look like there's a way to draw any of those shapes. So it's actually something different. Okay, we can probably solve this one. So the best way is to get the edges first. Oh, we got another star. Didn't even notice it. We got the edge. Now let's see if we can get the middle. And there we go. Wait, we are actually missing one piece. Did we get lost? Yeah, looks like it's missing. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but since the picture seems normal, I think the missing piece is a clue, so let's check there. So it's... Oh, there is something here. Okay. We get a key, and this is the key with the symbols for the seahorse room. Okay. Where do we have some keyholes? I mean, there is one here, but I don't think it's that one. Doesn't seem like it. Yep, doesn't fit. Maybe we need to follow the symbols on the frame. Let's see if we can find the one that is rotated to the left. So there is one here. They are different, but of course I don't know from which one should we start. There is multiple of them definitely. But let's try with this one, or at least let's try and see if that would work. So it goes to the one rotated down, and then it should go to the upside one, but there isn't an upside one, so that wouldn't work. So maybe that means it's not this one. Then there is this one, which goes to the upside one, and there is also no upside one. This one goes to the downside one, which follows the downside, but there are no two downside. This one has the upside one, so again not possible, and seems like that's it. So there is literally no combination on the frame. Okay, wow, I I really thought that must be it, but seems like it's not. In that case, seems like we are stuck again. Oh, here is the seahorse. Okay, interesting. So, could we use the key here? No, we need to solve the puzzle to get the seahorse out. Well, that obviously won't be easy. Oh! Okay, I just got what this puzzle does, or why we need the giraffe. So at least we have something. I hope that would do something, but I guess not. Maybe we need to do it on the other side. Yeah, let's try that. I mean, it's definitely what we need to do, just not sure what will it give us. Okay, let's try from this side now. Well, we did solve it, but we didn't get anything. Oh, there we go. Oh man. So, I was not supposed to brute force that. Good to know. Well, a bit too late now. At least we know we don't need to use that anymore. There is one more idea I have, and that is to just go in the left direction. I've been trying going into right direction, and I don't know, maybe it's the left direction. So we have the left one here, goes to the right, then up, and then down, but there is no down. This one goes down and then to the right, and there is no one to the right. So I guess I just cannot figure it out. I really did try everything and nothing seems to work. Oh, is this it? Is the answer 203? Or do we need to rotate it somehow? But I don't think we can. Oh, there we go. Yes, 137. 137 is the password. There we go. And the password for the seahorse is 137. Yes. And yep. We know it's in the cage, unfortunately. So there is not much we can do about that. Except solve the puzzle. Okay, at least we got the password. I mean, finally something. Maybe there's just not the first one because it's mandatory. Maybe I need to find the rest. I mean, it must be something related to the hearts on the frame. And then there is also this one. And I really thought I figured that one out, but it seems like I haven't. I mean, we can try this one being the planet with the ring. Then it goes to the orange, to the white, back here, earth, and white. Yep, just doesn't seem like that's it. So it would be the ring one, then the orange one, the white one, the ring one, earth, and the white one again. And yep, nothing happens. No way. So it does work on this side also. And it gives me the battery. So I tried on this side and it didn't work. I tried from the inside and it did work. And I just didn't think it would work from the outside anymore. Because I tried it. Can't believe this. Okay. So we found the second battery. Let's see what this does. Okay. We got an arrow. Oh. So the arrow pointing to the left. So the first thing that comes to mind is that I need to look for the symbols in the left order, but I already did try that. So I'm thinking maybe I missed it by accident, so I should probably double check. But I really think I did go over all the options. Left, bottom, right. Yeah, I did go through all of them. So the left arrow means something else, I assume. I think I figured it out. So because the arrow is pointing left on the heart itself, it means that we need to go left based on the rotation of the heart. So let's try that. So for example, this one is rotated to the left. So to the left would be this one. Then left would be here, 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 and here. Let's go! That's it! Oh, finally! I was trying so many things before we got an arrow. Wait. That's only the half. No way. I'm hoping we can still use it. No way that's a half. Come on. So, let's see if we can use this. Okay. Looks like we can. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, this is so sick. I like this so much. And here is the elephant. Okay, so apparently there is a button we need to press in his trunk. But I think we need something like a stick to do that. We don't have anything like that, so we can't do it yet, I think. Well, okay, we'll definitely need to get back there. But let's see what else is here. So what I saw before was this puzzle, the bridge puzzle. And here is error no tail. Okay, so maybe the tail is for picking up stuff, like storage. But yeah, so we have this 8-digit code puzzle, similar to one on the doors. Okay, let's see what else is here. Looks like we cannot enter the house. Oh, it's our house actually. Same model. Yeah, here is the rope connecting the two buildings that we saw. I wonder if there is something useful, but it doesn't seem like it. Okay, let's check this building too. Oh, here is the some kind of code. It's an 8-digit code, so maybe it's for the bridge. We'll try it in a second. Let's just see. So we also need a tail to open this. Well, okay, let's try and use this code first. Let's try it on the bridge. Okay, we also can't change the digits, but it looks like the lock has the symbols and not digits, so the code would be for something else, maybe the lock on the doors. Let's get out for now. Let's try the code here. It was 6, 3, 2, 2, 3 and 6. Nice, there we go. And we got another puzzle. Okay, this star is fixed now, and we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 regions of different colors. And what I'm guessing this is the puzzle where you need to place one star in each region without them overlapping in the rows or columns. So currently we have... Oh, we have all 7 stars, so we can solve it. Okay, let's go then. So, the first star needs to go either here or here. I don't know if it matters. Let's place it here for now. We can put it anywhere for now. Let's just place it here. The orange region is only available here currently. I don't know if they can touch diagonally or not, but let's for now say they can. So I'm gonna place it here. Then the purple would be here. The green would be either here or here. Okay, I think this works. Just the thing I'm not sure about is if they can touch diagonally or not. So let's try. Ah, okay. They cannot touch diagonally. I guess we can move this here and this one here, and that should be it. Nice, there we go. And we're outside. Okay. Again, we have the bird we already saw. Okay, we can see the rope here. But I already knew about that. Let's get here. Oh, here's the elephant. Okay, maybe we don't need to use the one in the aquarium. We only need this one. I assume the power goes here. Okay, well, let's get in here. Looks like another heart. Okay, here is where we need to draw the symbol. Here. There we go. Okay. We got it. Okay, so we get the crescent moon symbol, which is on the chair. And we have this light bulbs. So we need to turn the light off, I'm assuming. Let's go upstairs. Okay, finally we have something related to planets, so maybe we can finally solve that puzzle from the book. Here is the robot. Oh, and we can take it. Nice. So now we can use the line outside. All planets are fixed. I cannot move them. So probably we need to use this as a reference for this. Okay, we'll get back to that. Let's just see what's on the other side. This is the puzzle from the house with the man. Maybe it's not the same column, so I need to go and check in the house to see if that's correct or not. Here we have another code we need to do. It's an 8-letter code. And up here we can now use this robot to get back to the house. Okay. Nice. So it's just essentially a way of transportation from one house to another. But since we are here, I want to try and use the seahorse. But looks like I can't. That's weird. I thought we need a seahorse to get inside the crocodile's head and get the key, but it's looking like I cannot place it here. But let's see first these. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, the answer to this puzzle was this column, but the answer to the other puzzle is the column next to it. I'll just write down the symbols and we can solve that puzzle now. The seahorse and the monkey. Oh, okay. I got it now. They are not in the same position as the one we solved in the puzzle, so we need to also reposition them. Now this should be the answer. So I'll write it down. The second is the key, third one is the seahorse, then the mountain, and then the elephant. Okay, nice. There we go. And we got another figure. We got a bird now, maybe a phoenix. Okay. We'll just have to see what we can do with that. Let's see this puzzle here. This is where the key from the aquarium goes. Oh, so we cannot turn it off before we get the key, I guess. Okay. So we cannot solve this one yet. Also seems like we don't know what to do with this crocodile, because we need to somehow... Oh, I get it now. Because it's related to the door, we can now press the button to open it and then go around, since we now have an alternate passage. But I think the robot is on the other side. Okay, so we need to first go get the robot. Yep, let's take it here, since we can only travel from the other building to this one. Now we get down with the robot. There we go. And now hopefully we should see the mouth open on the crocodile and we can get the key. Nice. So it's a key to the umbrella. Let's see what will this give us. Oh, the moon turned into a star with a triangle head. This one is for the crescent moon symbol inside the other building. We can draw it on the door. Looks like that's the only thing we got. I was hoping we will get the bottom part of the seahorse, but looks like not yet. And here now draw the symbol we got, which should go something like this, I'm hoping. No, no, not quite. Oh, there we go. There it is. And that will turn off the lights. Oh, but it's also a puzzle, so it won't be quite that easy. And we can only... okay. We got to one of them. Oh, we need to click the bulbs and not the strings. So we got the two not working, so that's it. Oh, what is this? This is interesting. So we have the wing, the flame, and the tooth. And seems we have 4 spots remaining. I mean, this is definitely for the figurines. So this one goes here. This one has the weird teeth and the fire. And Dracula, I guess, has the weird teeth and the wings. So we're missing the 4th figure, it seems. We cannot solve this one yet. Okay, then we'll have to come back, I guess. There is not too much puzzles we didn't solve yet. I mean, the few obvious ones are this one. And I'm really not sure. I thought it was related to the book with the planets. This one here. But I haven't figured out how to match the planets with the spheres. We'll have to take another look on that one. Then the second one we're still missing is the game's password. And the third puzzle is this one. I really think we figured out this one, just don't know which symbol corresponds to which operator. And don't know how we can figure that out, honestly. And in the book we can also see that the arrows from the planet goes either from the top or from the bottom. So the first one goes from the top, then the second two go from the bottom, and then the last two are from the top as well. And if we say this one is the planet with a ring, and then from the top we get to the orange planet, so maybe we need to go up and then to the orange. Then from the bottom to the white one, then from the bottom to the blue one, then from the top to the earth, which is on the left side, and then also from the top to the white one. Unfortunately not, it seems. They are split into the 3 regions. So yeah, I think I figured it out actually. I think that's the correct logic, just I messed up the inputs. So I think we can figure it out right now. So the blue planet, or the one with the ring, starts here, and then from the top we get to the orange planet, which is on the left. From the bottom we get to the white planet, so I think we need to cross this one. Also from the bottom we get to the blue one, then from the top we get to the middle one, but we already are in the middle, but maybe we need to go top then middle, and then from the top to the white one. Nothing happened. Oh, what is this? Cabbage faced. What does that mean? Okay. I really am not sure what that means. Looks like this one is facing to the piano, and this should be all keys on the piano. So let's go ahead and try that. So let's try cabbage faced. Cabbage and faced. Oh, and it's the bottom part of the seahorse. Okay. That's actually huge. There we go. Okay, hopefully now we can do a lot more inside this. Okay, so now we should be able to pick up this key. Or we can just swing at it. Okay, seems like we cannot pick up the key. I think we can change the symbols now, but I'm pretty sure we don't know what the code is yet. We will probably need to get back to this, but what I think we can do now is open the chest. So let's see this. No, wait, it's empty. It's literally empty. So what the chest does... Oh wait, it does spell out something. Despised. Okay, so it mirrors the number into the letters, and there is a letter code in this building but outside. Let's go ahead and try that. So here, if we enter despised, it's correct, and we get the last figure. Okay. Oh, something's happening. Oh, we got a screwdriver. That's huge, actually. We can finally open the game's password. Let's go. I was so sure this was something I just didn't figure out. And what the hell is this? Okay. So, we have a few symbols here. I foolishly thought it would just give us an answer, but of course not. I'm trying to remember if we saw these symbols anywhere, and I honestly don't think we did. And one more thing I'm noticing that we kept the screwdriver, so maybe there's some more things we can use it for. Oh, maybe we can use the screwdriver for the elephant. It needed something pointy for it, so maybe we can... Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, a balloon. I was not expecting that. So it's just adding the balloons in the sky. I'm really not sure how that's related. Maybe there's like a specific view we need to understand it, but I'm definitely confused right now. So, unfortunately, I'm stuck and really can't seem to figure out what to do next. I've been trying to solve this puzzle so many times right now and can't figure it out. We also have this puzzle here, but I don't know what each symbol corresponds to. Then we have this puzzle here, which I don't know how to solve. We have the elephant, which is now dispensing balloons for some reason. We also have the solar system one, but we cannot get to that without the key from the aquarium. And I mean, we have this thing, but I mean, it is like a rope Maybe if we try... Oh, wait. We can actually place the robot on it. But it seems like we cannot hold on to it to get up there. But what we can do is use the computer, I think. Okay. Okay, we can move it. So, what does that exactly give us? Oh! Okay. That makes so much sense. Okay. I figured that would be the code on the bridge too, but I just couldn't find a way to look at it. So this was the answer. Right, okay. There we go, finally finding something. Hopefully this is what we needed for the breakthrough. Let's get it back in the water. So it was a circle, then the square one, and the circle. And there we go. Can we pick up the key now? Nice. Okay. So we got the key, and now we can turn the solar system puzzle, and we'll see what that does exactly. Okay. And now I'm assuming we can use this key here to start the engine. Nice, there we go. Oh, and it's the rocket. Okay, so this is the book-related puzzle. Let's see, so the first one was the blue one. Then the orange one. Then the earth, and finally the white one. So, is that it? Let's see. Okay, I mean, it doesn't seem like it did anything. That is weird, and also it said year 0, so I'm not sure what that means. I think we need to get back to that book. Let's see, Adventures of a Wayward Cosmonaut. It doesn't mention a year or anything, and I'm guessing that will give us some kind of shape when the planets on the path are connected. But that would indicate we need to also... I mean, we cannot rearrange the planets. What happens if we insert a year? Oh! Okay. Seems like we need to find the correct year in order to get the right shape. But it didn't mention anything about the year. Maybe we need to find the year somewhere else. I don't remember me seeing a year anywhere. Seems like we are stuck again. And then there's also this one, which I also have no idea how to solve. No. Okay, so we can take the balloon. Is there something on the balloon? Doesn't seem like it. We probably need to place it somewhere. This could be the symbol. Oh, so the balloon can fly. You can place it to go up anywhere, which is interesting. Maybe like on the bridge. Oh. And it popped. So seems like not there. I'm not sure what we need the balloon for yet, but it doesn't seem like it will help us with current puzzles. Maybe we can do something with it, with the chair, which had the symbol on it. We cannot close the parasol back, so can we just like place it here somewhere? I think it just popped and it doesn't seem like it did anything. I have tried solving this puzzle like so many times and nothing seems like it works. Also, I do not know what to do with the puzzle in the tower, since I don't know which year is it. I don't know how to solve this one. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, also this one. I'm really not sure what to do with. Oh wait, so this is rotated to the right. I was always looking at this like from the top to bottom. If you rotate it to the side, wait, I figure out there is an option to take a photo, okay, and then draw. So if we look at it from this way, then it would be like this, and maybe we can enter this as a password. I mean, I'm really not sure, but I don't think I have anything better, so we can at least try it. So it was this one, then I'm guessing O or a 0. Looks like an O. This minus and then this one. Okay. No way. No way that's correct. Oh, come on. I can't believe this. No way. I was looking at it so long. Okay, let's see what's this. It's med.exe. Arcane Knowledge for Kids presents Metamagic. Okay, so it's a game. Oh, and it's the symbols. Okay, finally. So this one is minus. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is 2. Oh, I meant 4 minus 2. Okay, wow. Can't believe I messed that up. But okay, at least we know that symbol means minus. Let's see, what is this? This could be a plus, I think, since it's a big number, yep. So that's a plus. Okay, 1.67. That would obviously be the division. What is... No, I ran out of time. I'm trying to write this down and then I don't have enough time to figure out the answer. Okay, this one is the multiplication operator. This is the division, so 4... No, go back. Why cannot I reset? Come on. No! Man, I think we got it figured out. So this is the division one. 2.5 is 5 divided by 2. Okay, there we go. This is the multiplication one. 3 times 4 I think we got them all. So the last one is the spiral, and that's just the equal sign. So we don't have to play it anymore. We can finally try and solve this. So we did have this figured out. This is the equal sign. Then this was 8 minus 6, and then minus 2 is equal to 0. And then this one was 1 times 2, which is this symbol here, and plus 3 and 4, which is this symbol here, and it's equal to 9. Okay, yes, there we go. And it's empty. What? Why is it empty? Come on! No way. What does this mean? There must be something inside it. I'm so confused. Okay, maybe we can place the balloon inside it. Let's try with that. I don't know what that will give us, but maybe the balloon will pop and give us something. Okay, what? How does this make any sense? It just lit up. Well, we got the password, I suppose, or not just the password, we got the year, I think, 2793, because it has the sun symbol on it. So let's try with that. So the year is 2793. Let's see now. Please work. Oh, it's the pyramid. And it gave us the which planet corresponds to what orb. Okay, so I can't believe this. I was trying to figure out that puzzle for so long and we didn't even have the information we needed. Okay, now I should be able to solve this. So let's try. It was blue, orange, then white, then blue, earth, and then white again. Wow. Finally I got it. And what does this give me even? It gives me a key. Okay, interesting. I'm not sure where do we even need a key. What puzzles are left even? Where do we need to put this key? Let's look at the key. Interesting. I'm trying to think what puzzles do we have left. Maybe here. Oh, it is here. Okay. And what now? So we didn't open this one, yes. Maybe this one opens that one. Okay. Is that it? Of course not. There's another section. But let's look at this. Oh, maybe exit. Yes, no. So, are we done? If you're not done, I don't want to exit. But, I mean, it looks like we're done. Okay, let's try exit. Okay, so I think we are done. Oh, let's go. So it took me 5.5 hours and 8,989 clicks. Those are fun stats. Yeah, it took me so long to figure some of those puzzles. Especially the heart one and the pyramid one. I spent so much time on those, and it just turned out we didn't even have enough info for them. But okay, this game was very fun. I liked it a lot. It wasn't easy, which I really appreciate. I really like solving the hard puzzles, even though they take me a long time to solve. But yeah, I really hope you did enjoy this video, and tell me if you want to see more of these kind of games, because like I said, I really enjoy this one. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Oh, looks like we have some more lore. Projection of her light preserved in crystal waiting to be solved. How pristine. She knew our mission was doomed, maybe they all knew. I must continue my search for the remaining spectives. Only then will I understand the true nature of my failure. Okay, does that mean there will be a sequel? Hopefully.